May I have your attention, please? Train number 43, the Powhat Narrow, is now boarding on track number 4.
Welcome to today's video. Today's trip, we are heading to a place called Turlough Hill. You can see, I don't need to bend over to Turlough Hill.
You just want to see the screen.
Yeah, you're on the wrong side of me. On the wrong. We went to Turlough Hill. So it's what it is. It's a man-made reservoir, apparently called, up on the top of a mountain, and it's up there. And what it is that they fill it with water at night. A lake. Am I in it?
We have the wobbles. What's the story?
Huh?
We're wobbling all over the place.
So it fills with water at night, and then what they do is during the day they let the water down to a lower lake, and it generates electricity, and they send it off. So it's in the heart of Wicklow. It's in the middle of the Wicklow Mountains, and we drive by it all the time when we're up this neck of the woods. So I wanted to see it. The only thing is it's fenced off. You can't really see it. So we went up. That's the first thing we did. Yeah, we sent up the drone. It was very windy, and I was nervous the drone would run out of power on the wrong side of the fence. So the plan now is to head down to
village.
Yeah, there's old lead mines in Glendalough, and they're abandoned now. You'll see them when we video them, obviously. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick up the van. She's a couple of kilometres away. We'll pick her up, go down, and Vanessa will, no doubt.
No, we're going to go to the next place. It's only a couple of minutes, few minutes.
Vanessa, no doubt. That's gone all crooked now, is it?
Yeah.
I'm losing it. Wait now. There you go. Oh, I can't do this backwards, and the weight of it's killing me. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to head down, get something to eat down there. Right, say goodbye.
Bye.
So that's the lower lake. So that lower lake is filled at night, and then up there behind the trees there, that's where the upper lake is. So at night water is pumped down through the mountain through a turbine station, and it creates electricity. And I was there as a schoolboy on a trip. It's amazing. We're in the van again. Vanessa is in the restaurant making us something. What are we having this time, babe?
Baguettes with steak and mushrooms.
Steak baguettes, is it?
Yeah.
Very nice. How's it coming on?
Yeah.
Is that your frying pan?
Well, no,
Oh, right, sorry, I couldn't see.
yeah. This is just for doing the onions and the mushrooms.
Lovely. No, I can't see. So we're gonna have steak and mushrooms baguettes. Also known as steak sandwiches. So where we are now is we've parked up. So we've come down the hill from the Turlough Hill to the old lead mines. So that's where we are. So it's just reading about it and stuff like that. But it's amazing. Like when you think about it. Has it? We should have wrapped it. Is it totally gone? Is it? Is it knackered?
Like it's because it's. Yeah, it can still be used.
Alright, okay.
You can use it for cooking anyway, so.
So yeah, so it's interesting. It's interesting, the lead mine. So that's where we are now. We're parked. So we're parked, and what's interesting is we come and set up, and we'll stay here for a few hours, eat, and you know, take a look at the place and absorb it. But what you see most people doing is just coming, taking a snap, and heading on. And I suppose that used to be us before we had the van.
Yeah.
With the van, you can come and set up and just totally relax. And enjoy the scenery and sit here and have your own little restaurant and your own little private Michelin star chef cooking for you all the time. It's no wonder I'm getting fat. So that's what we're doing now. So yeah. Right. So, listen, focus. No, got me. Okay, so this is the bit I love. I just love sitting here, obviously while Vanessa's cooking, but I love just sitting here, looking out the window, looking at the environment, just sitting here, and we have the heating on, and it's just, oh, I just love it. It's just the best thing ever, isn't it?
Very comfortable when it's cold, you know.
What we used to do is we used to go out in the car and we'd have sandwiches and soup and flasks and bits and bobs, and you'd be looking for picnic spots or restaurants or something like that. But this, oh, I just love it. Like we're off over the Christmas holidays. This is the tour trip we've had, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, tour trip. And we've one more planned. So, I just love it. I love it. If you're considering getting a van, get one. Get one. Now, look at this. Oh my God. That is fantastic looking. That is so delicious looking, babe. Ooh la la. Mouth-wateringly delicious. I shall thoroughly enjoy that. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Am I just getting one of these, am I?
Well, you can have more. But
No.
I'd imagine one is plenty.
Yeah, no, one's plenty.
Mummy,
Yes, love.
in a while, do you want to go out and have a look around the place?
I don't really. I will, but I don't really want to.
And I spent ages out without looking at. I'll go out with you, right?
Okay.
Bye. shaft, is it, or something?
They both went the other way.